In this video, we'll be going over Matalas Violin 3. It says Violin 2, but it's Violin 3. You're on the violin, yeah. Ready to help Daddy?
Like this?
Like that, yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Here we go. Ready? From the top. 1, 2, a bow. 1. Because we start up bow.
Because we start to teach nothing home.
We're trying to teach students how to play the violin.
What are you doing, Martini? Why are you doing this?
What is Martini doing? Our puppy?
Rolling.
No.
This is for teach rolling nasty.
Yeah.
But nothing and home.
You want to go check on Martini?
Because I'm teaching you.
Oh, you're teaching me. Okay. Let's try to teach them, okay? Beginning again. 1, 2, 1. Next part, pizzicato. 2, 1.
What? Hey, why you
Pizzicato, when you pluck the strings.
You said to say 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's giving students the time when to come in with Daddy. Next part, 2, 1. Next part, 2, 1. Next part's taga taga ta, not what's written. So it's gonna go.
Is you done showing me? Is you done showing?
Next part, 1, 2, 1. Next part, go up on the part here. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Next part. And you're gonna play the bottom part. Yeah, that's you.
I'm the daddy right there.
Yeah. The next part. 1, 2. Pizzicato. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, pizzicato. 1, 2. Now arco. 1, 2, 1. Next part. 1, 2. Next part, the ending's gonna be pizzicato, and then we're gonna do a light bounce on the ending. 2, 1. Okay, and when you bounce, you want to use the bottom part of the frog.